I could feel the heat just starting to affect my car. As I was driving, I started to feel the stress. I mean, I was just replaying the initial accident itself over and over in my head.
90 minutes to shut down call 3.
Okay. Watch your neck. Sleep in the back. Sleep in the back. Watch your neck. Watch your neck.
Call 3 to shut down. The wrong side of call 3 if you're heading northbound. Copy, thank you. Hold on, can I get you to take the south side of call 3?
We were concerned about secondary explosions caused by highly flammable materials in the vehicle. My feelings about moving her a second time, it was a necessary evil, but, you know, we were in a dangerous position.
3 out the church.
Man, okay? Was there anyone else in the car, man?
We got a fairly decent footage where we got explosions here from the one that's fully involved.
Put 20 guys on their head.
Other victim is being treated in the corner of Belfry in Georgia.
Hey, she's from 30. We need you up here.
Yes, sir. On the rear tower.
There's a bunch of officers who are actually plainclothes officers rendering assistance to the driver of the vehicle that had caused the accident.
425.